Hi everyone, as we promised, here is a quick tutorial on how we create our balloon ring mixed with flowers. The first thing you need is a floral wreath base at any sizes. This one we're using is around 20 inches. You should leave this in water until it's submerged if you use fresh flowers, otherwise you can just skip that part. Next thing you need is a fishing line. This one is one of the best by far. I'll list all the material in the description. And next is scissors, or this one which is for flowers. So these are the colors we're using for this project. One is Ivory silk and the other one is Lemon Chiffon, both from Qualitex and 5 inches, hand pump, and these silk flowers which we bought from Michaels and Joanne. So I start making duplets and in different sizes. I always want them to be a little bit different, so then they kind of like give this like natural organic look. And then I start tying the very first one and wrap it around the wreath. The first one I pretty much cut about like 3 to 4 feet, and then if I need more I'll just add more. So we need to cover the surface, so I'm just like going around and covering the whole thing. It doesn't have to be perfect or very organized, because we're gonna start covering them with flowers. So the very first one I did a tie to the wreath with a zip tie, which I get the longest one. I think these are like 16 inches. And the good thing about these flowers is that they have like long stems, so it helps me tie them around the balloons. And then as I'm tying them, I just try to twist the balloons to make sure that they're secure. Then I have these roses. I really like these ones because they're fluffy and large and they can cover a big area. So when I cut them, I start pushing them all the way inside the foam. And then if I need more balloons, I'll just like add them as I'm doing the flowers. Just be sure that you cover the edges so that you cannot see the foam. One of the other thing is just pretty much the final touches. I have these glue dots that I buy from Amazon. I start like making, and this time just like single balloons, not duplets anymore. And I don't tie them unless I try them on the wreath to see if it makes sense, like where is the best place to stick it to the other balloons. So sometimes I just like have to make them a little bit smaller, as you can see in the video, to see if it looks nice. Okay, so here's the final result. I really like how this turned out and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below, let us know what you think and ask your questions. If you liked our video, please subscribe and wait for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.